Tardigrade water bear, a tiny strong animal that can survive extreme heat, cold, and space conditions. Rotifer, a microscopic water animal with a wheel-like mouth. Paramecium, a single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba, a tiny organism that changes shape while moving. Dust mite, a very small creature living in household dust. Daphnia water flea, a transparent freshwater animal that swims quickly. Copod, a tiny crustacean living in oceans and lakes. Nematode roundworm, a small worm found in soil and plants. Hydra, a tiny freshwater animal with tentacles. Vorticella, a bell-shaped microorganism attached to surfaces in water. Stentor, a trumpet-shaped microscopic organism. Euglena, a tiny organism that moves using a tail-like flagellum. Pollen grain, tiny powder particles from flowers seen beautifully under microscopes. Mosquito larva, baby mosquito living in standing water. Fruit fly, a tiny fly often used in science experiments. Cyclops, a microscopic aquatic animal with one eye. Brine shrimp sea monkey, a tiny shrimp-like water animal. Baby spider mite, a tiny plant pest that damages leaves. Ant head, a close-up microscope view showing an ant's eyes and jaws. Plankton, very tiny drifting organisms living in oceans and lakes.